In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ignition switch on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Turn the steering wheel one way, and there's going to be a screw on either side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws. Slide the wheel the other way, and do the same thing on the other side. We're going to pull down on the plastic cover. We're going to remove the connector from the ignition switch. There's a push button on this back side. Push the button for the connector and pull it off. That's the push button. To remove the ignition switch, there's two tabs on each side. We're going to push on both of those and pull it out. That's that front, and if you reach under with your finger, you can push on this one and pull it out. Install the ignition switch. Make sure it's locked into place and both tabs are seated. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the cover on the bottom. These two plastic covers are going to snap together. Install the screws on either side of the steering wheel. Make sure they're snug. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.